Ali malungil silsel morgamnos bemlomes oren sanklaga Olkeriil telmomes ringia TMC channel 8 edigal being live and broadcasted in many social media platforms. TMC igagida Meang al Aisel dilubra abelwadel ma top stories el bokmal maskauri el altam, and I'm coming to you live from Ngirudelsang, Palau. Masel gotel Meang al Ais en maringia isela possible el court suit el moringi al sukuma Palau Election Commission na dial certify ra candidacy dial verify ra candidacy ra President Tamir Mang Sao Jr. Al mo tarar candidates el mora ballot this upcoming election ra November 12, 2024. Adol tirak ra dial story sira 2012 ya Palau Election Commission Board amli allow ra candidacy ra President Mang Sao el mutel mormurt and will be on the ballot because they interpreted Constitution Article 8 Section 5 that says no person may run for 2 consecutive terms. They interpreted the word consecutive term meaning a term and a term malubeng total of 8 years, 2 consecutive terms totaling 16 years. That is why they allowed the President Mang Sao mormurtra 2012 ma 2016. Dol tirak ra Ais and just 24 days ago ang larangi selva bilingila Senator Rubay Inabol mura Usluwi, el chairperson ra Palau Election Commission Board, el ask malubeng malagora Palau Election Board mal disqualify ra Tamir Mang Sao Jr. from the race. Dol tirak ra interview ra Mr. Mang Sao with the media and dilulwa sa team ringi prepared and they did research el girel tial specific legal issue, possible legal issue. Tol tirak ra Ais nga ringi certain weeks el Palau Election Board Commission amalaya background checks er tirge rogul mormurt allow tiril whether they'll be on the ballot or not. Regarding this specific issue, Palau Election Commission currently adol tirak ra email til mura mediato as they are waiting response from the Attorney General who is their guide on this legal matter. Also kumang morangi possible court cases el kirela sukuma PEC board amodia allow rang klela President Mang Sao mura ballot mang morangi court case and direkal sab el produce causa delays el mura printing ra ballot ma direkal mailing of ballots to absentee voters outside of Palau direkal possibly affect taigel direkal absentee ballots el voters el moseng kiologyo absentee ballots so return them to Palau ledol tirakra laing 7 days after the election and girela rokul absentee ballots el return back to Palau if they are to be counted if more late from 7 days after the election and they will be rejected. Uktara Meang al Ais ng ngarangi Palau Trade Taiwan Palau Trade Show el dirgam lomrek ra el alweek yang was in celebration of 25 years of diplomatic ties between Ngirudelsang Mablura Taiwan. It was a 3 days exhibition el ngarangi ra ngaramayong cultural center tial Taiwan Palau Trade and Cultural Show lo focus ra our Dori Taiwanese companies el Ngirudelsang Dori delegates came from Taiwan for this trade show will build business networks and do matchmaking between businesses Rabelao Mablura Taiwan ngarangi 6 this is an increase from 6 Taiwanese companies el attend trade show last year. And direkal ngarangi local businesses 7 of them that joined this trade show. For the cultural aspect of this trade and cultural show, ang larangi 20 artists, 10 assistants totaling 30 individuals that came to Palau with 40 paintings. They display promote art and inspire art and paintings among Palauan artists. Ang larangi 8 local artists from carvers to pottery makers, carvers, grass skirt weavers, joined the cultural show. Laring out 2 gourmet chefs from Taiwan who came to promote Taiwanese food and culture through demonstration sa ikang take place ra para amayong sira August 19 to August 21 from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Dire sel kuktarami ang ice sel Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Destroyer Ship Ariake amlar belaw 3 days from August 18 to 20th. August 20th tiang amlo celebrate ra 30 years of diplomatic ties ra talong le lablur belaw mablura shabal. Mlaring about 160 crews mlar tial tiang amler belaw on a port call, and they did 5 tours, public tours mlo tour tial destroyer ship ra shabal or sira Sunday from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Part ra celebration tial 40th anniversary ra diplomatic ties ra talong le gal tulbulu. Our cruiser tial destroyer ship adirakal mirula goodwill volleyball tournaments at Mid-Senti High School, cultural exchanges at Maris de las Auditorium, conduct freestyle judo trainings adirakal nasira amandeng mloringia tour our leaders el mlartial dial doltirakra tigingela ambassador Shabal aboard the dial destroyer ship. And he said in a short, brief ceremony, el kumulwase presence is deterrence. Ya Minister State tamlo mga sule lab lura Shabal, ra igel gukngel suwil gire lab lur belau through partnership in combating illicit drugs, IUU reported unregulated illegal fishing. Madirekal lolong seora regional maintain up peace. Direkal mlo ringia conclusion ersel PIPG conference tiang Pacific Island Parliamentary Group palmla ringira blur belaw kuluay sa isla last week seral volmereka sel conference ertir, and they put out Niptal declaration that addressed 6 key issues in the Pacific, namely food security, matters of regional interest, cybersecurity, gender-based violence, drug trafficking, and many more. And then they made a declaration calling for different solutions and partnerships that will address these key issues. PIPG, Pacific Islands Parliamentary Group, is a group of parliamentarians, parliamentary bodies across the Pacific. Most members from South Pacific Islands. Balur Belao ati one member from the North Pacific. Belao was also, on top of that, yung host ra APIL, Association of Pacific Islands Legislatures. Belao one ra founding members, and they hosted the 41st General Assembly ra Balur Belao, and they were hosted on the same week. Ay kangamlo address issues in the Pacific, particularly on human security. Katamalmol mra kal top stories ra Balur Belao. Maring year 29 al interns were awarded to the Palau Fellowship Award at yung internship program. El Malayar are current seniors, upcoming seniors, more recent graduates at universities across the world. El Ngalgar Belao, el return el Merbelao o interns. Also ngalra school, Ngalgar Belao, ngara school ra any country outside of Palau, ang sabel apply kyal the program, and if they get accepted, their ticket is paid for by Palau National Scholarship Board. The Mirabalur Belao for 8 weeks internship, they get placed in government offices or non-governmental agencies, and they work for 8 weeks with a bi-weekly payment of $400. And then also kung selbol merexel internship pertira, also kung mandakal recent graduates, mangiri they'll go back to their universities or colleges abroad, and then tial program pera return ticket tiang has been going on for many years. El purpose tial internship program mga susew ra ng Olkeriil nga skura outside el Merbelao for this internship, and hopefully inspire them to finish their education and then come back or contribute el mera nation building rabelwat. Kada malmol mra Meang Ice mga more isela upcoming Independence Day October 1st, and nimlam kat moklap mga preparations الجيرل تيال holiday celebration ngarangi cycling race madirigal sailboat show day market ma sel yearly tradition ra Belurbela ra speedboat racing in celebrations of the Independence Day morangi ra September 29. And on the 30th ang morangi one day Maasil Belau conference that was planned to coincide with the Independence Day celebrations. Tial Maasil Belau conference will be focusing on health. Mga morangia booths around mga Mayong Cultural Center will give out a free health screening to the public. It will feature healthy foods. The morangi sel Maasil Belau conference, and then that night yung morangia state dinner with high officials and foreign dignitaries will may attend Independence Day celebrations ra Belurbelaw. And then on the day of the holiday, October 1st, yung morangi sel annual OBF or Hotel Belao Fair, ma Independence Day celebrations el morangira National Capital Compound at Ngirudelsang. This will be followed by a fireworks show that night in celebrations of our independence. Kadamalmol mra top stories sa mga rangi isel WIOA, el alta may WOIA, mga tmokla igel orientations ra para may bril loban tirigel other belaw mlegiril mo malaya ang yeswa ra sira year 2020. Tiang atiakal PSL ra ata mo apply. Tirka nga ola balis tirgel adal giri del momalay ka gital ngeswal for this affected with pandemic emles submit applications or titers ra 2020 ma tegi the lobby sa makadong tiral mong marula orientation, help them with their paperworks mang mo sa iran maya ka gital ngeswal blura american a little over 11 million na ngeswal Belurbelawa Belawa ulantir about 9 million na the askra United States government the multa of the year sel cook funds sel mlora saibal legal mlarbela amleng songs was about a little over than 2 million ma total 11 million na ligay kita financial package al mortirgel adal was affected, their income was affected through this pandemic mlarangi and through this program at among my financial help. Kada malmol mara Meang ay sergid makaduk mura kuk isela street naming sira August 5 yablu rangat mawat did their street naming through a session rangat maw state legislature yang tilaw daigel mo wayal official in Klela streets. This has been a few years project. Ilbatokal state travel Belau, in fact all states yung nga bebira states still on the process. El Mrula state naming program sa Michael roads, ma secondary roads, main roads, ma Rab Lurbela Rogi will have actual street names. And then last but not least, el Meang Aiseluk the Lubarabal Water el Talsandea Isela Sports Self-Worth Palau Major League Championship game. It rained out there's last Wednesday. The score now, this is between the championship is a fight between Airay and Ngirudelsang. A score ilang 2-1 with Ngirudelsang leading, and there will be a total of 5 games. If Ngirudelsang wins the third game, they will be the champions for this year. If ang Airay mangmotayal 2-2, and then there will be additional games to break the ties. Ay gigita Meang ay sa mga top stories el dilo brabalwad no sa malmaskara el altam el alsil sang August 23 Friday. Those are the top stories that happened on island for this week, and I'm coming to you live from Kuror, Palau. Next week I'll come with more news and top stories from Palau. Kamran Sulang.